Hi everyone, this is Kiki Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, go na to the reaction video. Ang SB19 Quit live performance, one of my favorite song by SB19. Like, alam mo yun, yung tipong, alam mo yun, parang, this song is very impactful, should I say. This song is very emotional. This song is very sentimental. Sa totoo lang, this song is full of soul, should I say, right? So, I won't take any longer. Actually, pasensya na ako sa itsura ko kung medyo magulo pa kasi nagmamadali ako. Akala ko kasi walang mga uploads ngayon for today's video. Hindi tayo gagawin ng reaction video, pero ginulat na naman tayo ng SB19. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out, what SB19 has to offer. Live performance. I'm so excited. Ay! Ay, atake! Atake. Parang Dokyo on style. Ayaw na namin mag-quit. Wow! Wow! Sa concert pala nila. Wow! Grabe naman yung tabs! Stel! Okay. Gwapo ni Pablo. Sorry. Wow. I really don't know, pero parang naluluha na ako for today's video. The shifting. Oh, Stel. Parang alam mo yung kantang to, parang worship song talaga yung atake sa akin. Maybe because of the arrangement. No? Though, pero yung lyrics kasi, parang ang atake talaga is, how do I say this? A worship song talaga siya eh. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng emotion. Patapos yung mga body language pa nila. Alam mo yun? Grabe, kahit live performance, ang emotions ang overflowing, ah. Wow! Ganda ng setup. Grabe din yung ano dito ni Josh, ah. Yung emotion niya, overflowing din, ah. Oh my God, the low notes. Yes. Oh, wow! Alam mo, ang overflowing talaga yung emotions dito sa nakikita ko, Ken, Josh, and Pablo. Iba talagang impact ng kantang to sa kanila, sa totoo lang. Grabe, oh. Grabe si Josh, no? Oh my God. It's something like they are asking for mercy. Ganun yung atake nila. Ito gusto ko yung... Grabe si Philip. Also Pablo. Oh. Oh yeah, there's a lot of fun. Umiiyak na sila. Those who are in love. This is our anthem. Oh, what happened? Bakit? No. Kasi nag-loading eh. Sorry. This is our anthem. Ito na. Okay. To those who are loved. Wow. Oh, ganda. Ganda. Grabe yung emotion nila dito. Overflowing. A-Team. Ganda ng performance video. I mean, performance video, yeah. Ganda. Tapos na? Ay, tapos na nga. Okay. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The performance video of SB19 Quit. Ang ganda naman. Gabi yung emotion nila pala talaga dito. Kasi yung napanood ko ata nito is a fan cam. Pero iba pala talaga na-captured talaga yung emotional dito. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!